Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and my today's topic is really important. It is related to beginner artist who used to hop around, and this was my story when I was just a beginner, right? Beginner, so we keep calling ourselves beginners, right? So what I used to do, I used to look for free things, like most of the time watching YouTube tutorials or some platform buying some small courses. So what I used to do, I keep hopping around free communities where people are offering something for free. I used to join those communities. And what happened? I just learned this much, just peanut, right? And sometime when I used to enroll in their program, I feel like they are so good. They are so good with the painting. They are so good with the drawings. They are easily able to come up with, in one stroke, they are able to create the painting. Wow, that looks so amazing. But I was not able to do that. And the reason was they are sitting in front of camera, like when they are recording the session, they don't show you behind the scene what's going on. Everything should be perfect, right? So whatever you see on screen, it is perfect, but you don't know how much preps they have done behind the camera. You don't know how much erasing they have done in their drawings. And we think, like, we start judging that they are able to do flawlessly and I'm not able to do. So when you do like this, what happens? You just get that kind of mindset, negative mindset. This is not for me. I am not good at painting or I'm not good at drawing, right? So instead of just hopping around, hopping for the free stuff from one area to another area, going to one mentor, then going to another mentor, then looking for another thing, taking multiple advices and not able to do anything. So the good advice is, instead of just hopping around, it's better to pick one mentor, and listen to that mentor. Because when we have so many mentors at one time, what happened? Everything will clash. Someone will say this is good, someone will say this is not good, do this way. Someone will say you added wrong colors. It's not like they are saying wrong, but everyone has their different way of teaching. Everyone has different approach. So the good idea is to stick to one mentor, listen to them, follow what they are saying, practice at least for 6 months. Give yourself 6 months with one mentor and keep refining the skills. And feedback is really important. Without feedback you can't get anything. If you're just relying on recorded courses, nothing will going to happen. Even if you follow the recordings completely, but if there is no one to guide you, no one to help you, that where you are going wrong, so in that case you are not improving at all. So look for the mentor who can guide you, give you feedbacks on your painting, and just stick to that mentor for quite some time. Generate some results and then move to another one, right? And this was the biggest mistake of my life, which I did for 4 to 5 years. Just hopping around from one thing to another thing, watching small tutorials, sometimes free tutorials on YouTube. And then I have this negative kind of blog that, I love painting, but I think this is not for me. I'm not born artist. So it is just a skill that can be learned, just like other skill, we can learn it. But yes, you have to dedicate time, you have to be disciplined, and you have to listen to your mentor, right? I hope you learned something today, and I'm going to see you in another video with new learnings. Bye for now.